Detoxification diets, do they really work? There are many dietitians, nutritionists, as well as health food junkies who contend that a detoxification diets are the best thing around since sliced bread, and that they should be heralded as the ultimate body cleansing tool. Even though it is true that detoxification diets may contain a great deal of healthy ingredients, do they really work to cleanse the inside of the body? Many people choose to debate that, and the fact of the matter is that no one person totally knows for sure whether or not a detoxification is good for the body's systems. Even though it may seem clear from the evidence that is presented, a lot of that could possibly be circumstantial. Here are some reasons, though, to doubt whether or not a total body detoxification truly works the way that most people say they do. 1. The benefits of detoxification. As mentioned, many people contend that there are many benefits to the process of detoxification for the body. Some of those benefits include a healthier immune system, longer life, as well as the risk of not getting sick as much as others who do not perform detoxification. However, the same holds true about meeting goals of a healthy lifestyle and changing your eating habits. Indeed, many of the people that perform body detoxification systems already do have a healthy lifestyle that many people would not know if their healthy bodies come from the detoxification itself or the overall healthy lifestyle that they live. However, the Food and Drug Administration has continued to advocate for healthier lifestyles of all people, and they also contend that individuals can experience just as healthy a lifestyle if they were to eat right, get 3 square meals a day, and combine those things with exercise. Hearts are stronger, less ailments are experienced, and a healthier immune system can be achieved. On the flip side, what is the difference between the facets of this type of a healthy lifestyle and the detoxification process? It is definitely some food for thought and something that those who are new to detox plans should check into and research. 2. Vitamins and minerals. Just as we have debated about whether the benefits of detoxification have really come from the detox process, so too should individuals ask themselves about some of the other benefits of these types of systems. For example, studies have shown that taking a daily vitamin and mineral supplement will help better in the long run to improve your member, boost your immune system, and have an overall healthier body. On the other hand, the advocates of detoxification also contend that people can experience these things with their diets. All in all, there is definitely something to be learned when it comes to the detoxification and making yourself a healthier lifestyle altogether. Chances are that if you continue to eat right, exercise, and take vitamin and mineral substances, that you will be just the same, if not altogether better and healthier, than those who advocate the total body detoxification.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by All Super Info. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.